Now, after setting the location, go into it. At the top right hand corner, there's an icon, tap onto it, and you are now at scanning mode. Scan the QR code. Okay, it's added. That's all for the programming. So now you can on the light, you can off it. You go to the center, do the dimming, change it to a warmer light, and you would like to change the module name. For example, I change it to light 2, save it. The module is now named light 2. You can also set the power on value, meaning physically when you on the power, it will go to the mode that you preset. Now, for example, I'm going to do the whitish, dim higher, save it. You have a few blinking. Now, you can have all the control now. Thank you.